Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It's Monday, November 27th. Going to do my nightly video on Natgas. So Natgas, after breaking this downtrend line here and breaking to a higher high above this recent high, above 3.166. As I've said, we've had lower high, another lower high, and we broke above that and broke above this longer term downtrend line on the weekly. Personally, I thought we were going to have a little bit of a bigger move, or at least sustain sideways here before making a move up. But anyways, bears took a hold of it for a little bit, brought it back down, pulled back. We still held this uptrend line here, and since the bottom we've been holding higher lows on the weekly. So we have a higher low on the pullback, another higher low on the pullback, and so far another low on the pullback. The significance here is that after we broke to a higher high by breaking above this 3.166, by hitting that 3.231, and then pulling back and so far holding a higher low, that may be the pattern to look for. We may begin to start waving up this way, and so obviously we have to break above this 3.231 level to confirm that we are going to start setting higher highs and higher lows on this weekly. We were all looking for a oversold bounce. I got stopped out of mine Friday. Congrats to those who did hold. It did break my stop level, but the 4-hour was definitely oversold here on the 4-hour chart, and every time it's been oversold on the 4-hour, it's bounced a little bit. So we've had some little oversold bounces and some more significant bounces in some of these bounces. But anyways, looking at the 4-hour chart here, what I was looking for today was it was tightening with the Natgas showing an inside 4-hour candle. We broke it by a little bit, regained that 20 EMA on the 4-hour. We had the 4 and 8 EMA cross back here. Now we have the 4 EMA crossing over the 20 EMA, and now we just need to have that 8 EMA crossover. We back tested and defended all these EMAs. So after we regained these EMAs here, all 3 of them on this candle here with increasing volume, we back tested them and really finished close to the high of the day, which is good news for bulls. And then on the hourly Natgas, what I'm looking at is we had an inside candle here, an hourly inside candle on low volume, showing some consolidation, and then breaking bullish above it with increasing bull volume. Had some more consolidation and not really that much volume here, but that's towards the end of the day. We'll see what happens when we open up. When we open up the natural gas futures, we're going to have a contract rollover to January 18th. That's just already showing up here on the Thinkorswim. Some charts already showed it today earlier. And so the next levels to look at here, after taking out this recent resistance of 2.944, is going to be this high here at 2.986, then 2.996, and then obviously the $3 psychological level is what we're going to look at. For as far as supports go, you can see on this hourly, after this consolidation, we've been setting higher lows on the hourly. So that's going to be some of our measure of strength if we're able to continue to hold these higher lows. And so the first support I'm looking at is going to be the low of consolidation of this recent inside candle here, and that's going to be 2.921. And then we're going to look at 2.893, 2.885, and then of course 2.876. So good sign for the bulls last week when it held the uptrend line still. If you did happen to take a position on it and held over the weekend, I don't like ever holding over the weekends unless I really like the longer term chart. I wasn't sure. It was, I guess, a decent risk to reward play with it holding the weekly uptrend line by the close, and the RSI on the hourly and the 4 hours being so oversold. Had a gap up today. We have an inside candle on the weekly forming so far, and really an inside candle on the daily to watch. So again, inside candle high and low is with in the previous ranges, high and low. So if we're able to break above today's high of 2.95, then we're going to look at the mother candle high, which is at 2.986, to confirm this inside candle bull break, see if we can get some more upside. In the little bit midterm, you can see this high, and then you can see these lower highs on these bounce play attempts. So the first major resistance I'm going to look at if to change this midterm trend is going to be breaking above the 3.134 area and then breaking 3.153. And of course, the must hold is going to be this low here of 2.797. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.